How to whiten skin tone with all natural ingredients. It is the desire of all women to have fair and white skin. You'll look more appealing if the color of your skin is fair enough. But because of sun rays, excessive use of cosmetics, poor skin care, and many other factors, the color of your skin is badly affected. As a result, you lose the natural fair color of your skin. How to whiten skin tone. To improve your skin complexion, you must not use whitening products rich in chemicals. The chemicals are damaging to your skin. The best is to take help from natural ingredients with skin lightening properties. Here, I have the best remedy for you. In this video, I am going to share with you a simple home remedy to get fair skin naturally. The remedy works fast and brings quick skin fairness results. To even out your skin tone and to get fair skin naturally, the ingredients you will need for this remedy are: ingredients: all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons, rice flour, 2 tablespoons, unsweetened milk powder, 1 tablespoon, tomato juice, 2 tablespoons, honey, 1 teaspoon, lemon, half, natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons. Procedure: in a bowl, mix all-purpose flour, rice flour and milk powder, and make dried formula for skin whitening. After this, take 2 tablespoons of dried formula and in it, add 2 tablespoons of tomato juice. Next, add 1 teaspoon of honey and juice of half lemon. After this, add 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt and mix all the ingredients well together. The best remedy to whiten skin tone is ready for use now. How to use: apply it on a clean skin. Leave it to dry out for 15 minutes until it dries out. Wash it off with lukewarm water. So, to whiten skin tone, this remedy is the best. You can store this formula for 30 days. It lightens your skin shade by 1 color. Make and use this remedy and have fair and white skin naturally. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.